Hi everyone and welcome. It's with great pleasure that I introduce you to the first ever Fusion Dance Fest, to be held at the Millennium Theatre in Limerick, August 2016. I'm Chris Noche, the creative director here at Fusion Fighters, and I'm delighted to announce our most ambitious project so far, and the fast-growing programme of events we have lined up for you guys this summer. As part of our 6-day festival, we will not only include a range of workshops, but incorporate daily events such as seminars, dance fitness classes, video projects, and social evening activities. We'll be topping off the week with a student performance at the Millennium Theatre in Limerick. This will also be followed by Fusion Fighters and Friends, who will be debuting their work on the very same stage. This includes Fusion Orchestra that you may have recently seen on BBC One's Jigs and Wigs.
Hello, I'm Kristen Fontanella. I'm one of the directors and faculty members of this year's Fusion Dance Fest.
My current choreographical work uses my knowledge of Irish dance to explore and integrate in between the two worlds of tradition and contemporary. We are looking for dancers from an intermediate to advanced level who are interested in broadening their skills and performance, as well as incorporating other art forms with Irish dance.
All dancers that sign up to the festival will get the opportunity to personally work with me and some of the members of my dance crew, and of course our invited faculty members and choreographers. Although Fusion Dance Fest will be anchored with traditional Irish dance forms, it will also introduce a variety of Irish show styles, body percussion, tap, and contemporary into the mix. Our workshops will be divided into both intermediate and advanced groups to suit your standard, which means we can cater for dancers who have the sights set to a professional dance career, as well as dancers looking for a more relaxed approach to learning and enjoying everything else our festival has to offer.
Our thoughts behind holding this festival at Limerick Institute of Technology had a lot to do with Limerick currently being such a hotspot for the creative arts in Ireland, and to also get behind Limerick's bid to be the 2020 European Capital of Culture.
We'll also focus on how Irish dance is constantly evolving, including the many different ways it can be presented online, as well as to a live audience. That's why, as part of your experience, we'll be involving all dancers to perform alongside us in our summer video project. You'll also be filmed individually to be posted on our FF video feature series across all of our social media platforms. Download the easy-to-use application form from our website.
Keep an eye out for updates, where we'll soon be announcing the rest of the faculty.
The first 10 dancers to sign up will be eligible to win one of 2 scholarship prizes.
Apply now and make the most of the Early Bird Festival Pass.